Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have another unboxing from Uniqlo. This one was from their J.W. Anderson collaboration release. J.W. Anderson is really a busy designer. Other than working for Loewe Wei and his own brand J.W. Anderson, and then he has this collaboration. I don't know how he has time to do all that. And recently, I'm doing more Uniqlo unboxing because I think for every 6 months, they release a series of collaboration clothes and accessories for the new seasons. That's why I have been doing more Uniqlo unboxing lately. And overall, they do have good quality, especially those from their collaboration. I'll be honest, buying so much, I don't remember what I bought in this box because I just came back and I haven't had time to look at my order details yet, so let's look into it together. Let's see. First, we have these socks. I chose a pattern that in mostly blue and darker color because this would match my outfit better. A lot of people like socks from J.W. Anderson collaboration because his design tend to be more fun. The socks is always very popular and people always recommend the socks from this collaboration. The second item is a jacket. Let's put the box aside first. So putting this on and looking at the details is actually their Windproof fleece jacket. And inside of the jacket, it has this soft kind of velvety micro suede texture. And on the outside, this fleece is, I would say it's not the softest, but it's not rough either. So forgot to mention that this jacket actually from women's collection. I believe they have the yellow also. This one is in dark green color and they also have the yellow one. And I believe in Asia they have black ones. So far I haven't seen it on the US website. For reference, I'm 5'9" and around 165 pounds. So if you are interested to buy this jacket from the women's collection and if you are in a similar size like me, this one is a size large, would fit like this. I think it's basically fit me perfectly. So if you are interested to buying this from their women's collection, size large would fit you quite well if you are around my height. So this jacket does have two side pockets for your hands. If your hands are cold, it's really useful to have side pocket like that in the winter. And then on the front, it has a small pocket. I'm not sure this is big enough to put your phone. Probably not. It's quite a small pocket. Let's see on the inside. It's interesting that the pocket outside is connected to the interior material. And they kind of make it another pocket as well. I'm not sure this is supposed to be another pocket inside, but you do able to put stuff in. If you need to carry more stuff, you do able to put them in. Usually I'm not a crazy colorful pattern person, but I do like this one. It's not too crazy for me. I'm glad I picked this one. I definitely didn't buy as much as the Uniqlo U collection, but I still do like some of the items from this collection. The next item is their tote bag. Let's look at the tote bag quality from the Uniqlo and J.W. Anderson's collaboration. So this is quite a good size tote bag. The color I chose is in this kind of army green color, and the bottom part I think is black color. It's just a simple canvas tote with faux leather going through the front and the back. This is how it looks like inside. It's pretty dark inside. On the inside it does have a snap button slip pocket that you can store your phone. When looking at this bag, I noticed that these straps are not really stitched to the back. So I wonder this is for you to maybe slip in a magazine, or if you need to carry extra jacket or your scarf, you can probably store it here while you're walking around. This is just my imagination. I don't think they mention it on their official website. As you can see, the shoulder strap, the strap drop is not very long, so if you want to carry it when wearing a jacket, it may be a little bit tight. It's walkable, but it's definitely tight. So this is mostly just a hand carry tote bag, I would say. Anyway, I'll use this tote to see how it holds up. I'll let you know, and hopefully I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!